Ah.
I had one. There we go. I've got one. I got a fish, I think. Yeah, I do. It's just a little one, probably. Yeah, it was in the grass. That's why I thought I didn't have it on. Dang. You got a nice one?
Yeah.
Jason's got a nice fish on. Oh, it's a pike, yeah? Walleye. No, pike. Oh, it's a walleye. No, it's a pike. Here, I've got a net if you want. Try and swing him over towards me a little bit. My rod is fucking dragging me downriver. Nice.
Josh, you want to see a pike?
You know, do the gill hold trick?
Yeah, I haven't done it in a few years. I haven't caught a pike in probably 2 years.
There you go. Nice. Back into the water. Nice. They're getting bigger. Yeah, it's a pretty one. It's a lot shallower if you go just like a couple feet upriver, I think.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. The lifeline system.
Alright, that's much better.
Yeah, it's amazing how just like a few inches can go from like, I feel comfortable to like, oh, I might die.
Yeah, I mean, it started pushing me there for a second.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah. It's a nice one. It's a real nice one. Yeah. Ah! Dang it. If I would have had a net, it would have been over, but I didn't grab my net. There's one. It's not as nice, but it's decent. No, it's pretty small. Yeah, it gets shallow again like 2 feet behind me. I walked right next to that branch that's in the water, yeah. There's another one parallel with it on the bottom. Smallie, back in the water. Is that a Panther Martin spinner? Is that a Panther Martin?
I have no idea what.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite spinners.
Is it?
Yep, the black body with yellow dots and the gold blade.
I can't throw it very far.
Yeah, it's a small one. Like 2 sizes bigger than that is what I like to use a lot of the time. Got that little brown trout and we caught like those rock bass and perch.
Yeah, Jason caught something.
Yeah.
Is this a fish?
Yeah, that place. Did I do it?
Did you guys get together and jam with him yet?
Yeah, yesterday.
How was it?
Really good.
How's his ability?
Yeah! It's a nice one. Yeah. Not a monster, but not bad. Oh, yeah. All right. Finally caught a decent one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was just looking at some pictures on Facebook yesterday of like some Ozark bass, smallies.
Yeah.
They look so much different than ours. Like, ours are really dark a lot of the time.
Where's Ozark?
It's a really famous bass fishing river. I forget which state it's in. It's not in Michigan though. But their bass are like really light colored with these like dark marbling colors. Yeah, they look really cool. That's a fish. Smacked it right when it hit the water. This must be a small. Ooh, he's cruising. It's a nice one. There you go. Fight me, boy. Oh. First nice one of the day. That's a good one. Yeah. Look at that. That's a nice one. Second smallmouth of the day. Pretty nice one. Got him up over in here. Get a picture of this guy for sure. So I'm just casting upstream as I'm walking upstream. Right now I'm kind of walking up the middle and just working both sides, trying to hit any little pockets that might hold fish, like this one. This is exactly the kind of fish I came out here for. Nice good sized fighting smallie. Oh, almost dropped my rig in the water. This hook is in there pretty good. There we go. So there it is. Second smallie of the day. Let him go. Here's a fish. Ooh, a little pike. Alright. Oh, easy unhook. Get this guy back in the water here. Take a quick look. Just a tiny little pike. Hardly even a hammer handle. Wow. Oh, he hit it twice. Oh, that was a different one, I think. Wow, there's a bunch of them right here. They're hitting a number 4 spinner as I'm dragging it through their probably spawning grounds. There we go. He came off, but oh, there we go. It's a nice one. Ooh. He bit it really good. That's a really nice rock bass, actually. Success. It's probably one of the ones that hit my spinner. It wasn't that little one that I caught the first time. It just popped right out because I'm just using this little itty bitty tiny hook. It's barely sticking out of there. But he had it all the way back in his mouth. Nice rock bass. Back in the water for this guy. Now I'm curious if I can pull something out of this eddy over here. Potentially a nice bass. You know what I'm thinking? It's kind of what I'm here for today. Big smallies is what I'm after. Tossing spinners and loud crankbaits, rattling stuff because the water is high and dirty. They're honing in on this Z-Man crawl just fine there in the shallows. Bam. This one was right in these branches, or these roots off of this tree here. Old dead tree, but it's got some nice big roots. He's hooked really good. There we go. Oops. He's in the water. Let's catch another one out of that spot, I'm sure. Oops, bad cast. There's a fish. Another rock bass. Another decent one. Woo! Well, this is not exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm about to move on to a different spot. But this is worth 2 more casts, maybe. I knew I had one more. Nice dark one. There he is. Back in the water. And time to move to another spot.